What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, it is April 17th. That means it's National Mustang Day. So 56 years ago, on April 17th, 1964, Ford unveiled the first Mustang and has been going strong ever since then, and I absolutely love them. But guys, you might be asking, why am I sitting in front of a GT350? No, I'm not buying this car. If you remember, this was the car that I was looking at when I bought the 2020 GT. I decided to go with the 2020 GT over the GT350 because I prefer drag racing, and that car is more suited for what I want to do. But however, this car is a fantastic car. And I was in here talking with them today, kind of joking around about it. And when they told me the price that they were willing to sell this car for, I wanted to share it with you guys because I've been asked by quite a few of you on a kind of a weekly basis in the live chat if this car is still sitting at the dealership. But guys, as you can see, the sticker price is $65,005. However, the dealership is willing to let this car go for invoice. The invoice is $61,888. That's pretty much the lowest they can go, but they are willing to let this car go for that price. So they told me the price on it. I was in here today kind of joking around with it. They told me the price on it, and I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. That way, if any of you guys were interested, you could get a hold of this car at a pretty good price, in my opinion. I mean, you know, over $3,000 off of MSRP. And it has the B&O sound system on it. It has the heated and cooled seats. Does not have a car, but it has the heated and cooled seats. Also, guys, it does have the carbon fiber package on it. Like I said, B&O sound system. It's got the electronics package. Let me see, just kind of zoom in here. So there you go, guys. There's all the stuff like that. And like I said, here, I'll let you guys check this out. That's really a great deal in my opinion. I mean, you're getting the car brand new under MSRP, and that's, you know, it's really hard to get a hold of the Shelby for, you know, below MSRP. There's a few instances I see this happen, and it's very rare, but when they told me the price, I decided I wanted to share it with you guys and let you guys know the price on this in case any one of you are interested. This is at Lonnie Cobb Ford in Henderson, Tennessee. Just reach out to them. I will put all the information down in the description for the dealership. You can reach out to them, and they will be able to help you guys out if you're interested in buying the car. Like I said, it's a fantastic car. The only reason I did not buy it is I love the drag race, and at the end of the day, I will be much happier in that car with some boost on it. So, but this is a great deal for anybody that is interested. All right, guys, so I just want to kind of share that with you guys. So you know, like I said, for any of you that are interested in the car, contact Lonnie Cobb Ford in Henderson, Tennessee, and they'll get you taken care of. But we are in my car, and I absolutely love this car. I've had this head mount for a while, and I've been contemplating, you know, shooting videos like this. Let me know if y'all like it or don't. Kind of gives you guys something to look at besides me. Anyway, guys, so today is National Mustang Day, and I've had this car for 6 months, and I've got 7,500 miles on the car. Me and Cody were talking yesterday. My wife's car, we've had it over a year. Even went to Mustang Week in it, and it has just a little over 8,000 miles. This car is catching up with her car, and I've only had this car for 6 months. And I drive the crap out of it. I've been to Bowling Green, I've been to Clarksville numerous times, I've been down to Georgia. This car has been in a lot of places. And look, guys, rain. Every time I plan to do something fun, there was no rain in the forecast, and now look at it. Sprinkles, rain, whatever. It is what it is. Anyway, guys, we're gonna get off of here, and we're gonna go this way. But yeah, guys, I do not regret buying this car one bit, because this car has turned out to be exactly what I wanted. Every once in a while I get in the wife's car and I want the big screen in this car, which, stay tuned, guys, there might be something coming sometime in the future for this. I I have a couple parts, but I haven't collected them all, and basically I kind of pulled back from that simply because I want to get the force induction, the blower, whatever I choose to go with, installed on the car. Then I'll start doing other things with the car. This rain has got to go, guys. It has got to give. But it wasn't supposed to rain. It was supposed to have been beautiful till Monday. And of course, it's Tennessee. Why would it stay that nice for this many days? I can't speak highly enough of the Pypes Catback exhaust, the X-Bomb. It puts the muffler right here up under, you know, right behind the transmission, and then you got the pipe that comes out the back, and it really deepens up the tone of the exhaust. And like I said, it's one of my favorite exhausts on a new Coyote Mustang. Guys, I had some stuff planned for this video, and then the weather came in like always and ruins it. But guys, it's been 56 years since the first Mustang, and man, you know, growing up as a kid, I loved all cars, and I still love all cars, but it's just something about a Mustang that keeps drawing me back over and over again. And I absolutely love the cars, and I can't wait to see what Ford does with the new Mustangs coming out. I know the S650 is supposed to be coming out in a couple years or so. We have the rumor of the 2021 Mach 1 coming. Cannot wait to see what that is going to entail. Now, guys, leave me a comment down below. But for the 2021 Mach 1 Mustang, I think the 5.2 engine, like Coyote-based 5.2 engine, with a true 7-speed Tremec manual transmission. That's what I would like to see in it, is a beefed up version of the Coyote with the Tremec 7-speed manual transmission, not the DCT, the actual manual transmission. I've been wanting them to put a 7-speed manual transmission in a Mustang for a while, and they won't do it. I don't know why, but they won't do it, and it's a little aggravating. I wish they would. They put the E85 in it. I wish they would go back with the Tremec and put the 7-speed in the Mustang. So that brings up another topic. Everybody's been asking, do I miss not having a manual transmission? Yes and no. On moments like this, when I'm out in the country or out riding around, yes, I so badly want the manual transmission again. I want it more than anything. When I go to the drag strip, I really enjoy this 10-speed automatic. Now I say that, but the 10-speed, when it starts upshifting, downshifting like in sport mode or anything like that, it's kind of sweet how it does it. I love how it downshifts and upshifts and stuff like that when you're driving it spiritedly. But you know, there's I will always say this: there's nothing like a true manual transmission. There is nothing like it. Shifting your own gears, something about it, you feel connected with the car. But overall, I am very happy with the car. The 10-speed automatic more than makes up for me missing the manual transmission at times. Who knows? I might have another manual transmission coming before long. Car, don't know what, you know, maybe something cool, but we'll see. I'm gonna play around just a little bit. We are in Mexico. Have a little fun here. Having a little fun, guys. Can't do a whole lot. Like I said, it's been raining off and on, but the pavement's actually dry here, so I don't think it's been raining here. Guys, I absolutely love this car. Like I said, I do miss the manual transmission at times, but overall, I absolutely love this car, especially since Daryl got the transmission dialed in and shifting the way that it's shifting. Man, I absolutely love it. How it shifts, how it drives. So much better than stock. As you know, he bought a 10R80 car himself, a GT, and he set about a week fine-tuning the transmission to his liking to get it exactly where he wanted it. He sent me the tune and said, hey, let me know how you like it. If you want something changed, let me know what you want changed. And I've been driving it for a while now, and there's absolutely nothing that I won't change. I haven't got to the drag strip yet, but however, as far as driving it and everything else, I mean, it's just so much better than the stock tune. So much better, night and day difference. And I cannot wait to get back out to the drag strip because I have more timing down low, and I have more timing up high. So the car should be quicker. Of course, the DA is rising over what it was. Last time I was at the track, I was in 1,000 DA. Hopefully before long, we will get back out to the drag strip. Then we'll get the forced induction on. And guys, I think you're gonna be happy with what we're gonna be doing with the car. If you guys check Daryl's channel out, he's got a Whipple on that car, and I absolutely love what he's doing with that car. All right, guys, one other thing. I've been getting a lot of submissions for a subscriber ride video, and I just about got enough for a full video. If you don't know, a couple videos back I did a full subscribers ride video. I usually put them at the end of my video, but with everything that's going on, the lack of content, I told everyone if they could get me enough content, I would do a full video. And I said that if I got more content after that, I would do another full video. And I almost got enough for a full video. However, I wanted to give more of you guys a chance before I made the video. If you want to get me content, like I said, pictures, video, whatever, send it to speedaddict731@gmail.com, and I will include it into the subscribers ride video, the next one that I do, which will probably be sometime this coming up next week. We'll see how everything goes. Guys, I'm trying to ramp up content for you guys. Going to get something tomorrow that, little fun. You'll see it in the next video. It will be in Monday's video. You will see exactly what I'm gonna go get. You've been asking for it. It's not exactly what you've been asking for, but however, I think it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have some fun with it and see where it goes. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you guys next time.